Hello friends, on this video we will learn about capacitors, capacitance and capacitance of a sphere. So now let us learn what is capacitor. It is just a basic. So system of two conductors separated by an insulating medium is called capacitor. So two conductors, one is a positive and the other one containing negative. So these two separated by an insulating medium. When these two conductors are separated by an insulating medium, it is called a capacitor. So one will have positive charge while the other will have a negative charge. And the equation is V equal to V1 minus V2. That is the equation of capacitor. Just to know what capacitors are, okay? Now capacitance. So C equal to Q by V. Well, how we got this? Okay, let us know what is capacitance before that. If V is the work done per unit positive charge in taking a small test charge from conductor 2 to 1 against the field, then V is proportional to Q and Q by V is constant C. So okay, let us look. V is the work done per unit positive charge. V is the work done per unit positive charge in bringing a small test charge from conductor 2. Let this be conductor 2, this be conductor 1. So from 2 to 1, from conductor 2 to conductor 1, V is the work done to bring a positive charge from conductor 2 to conductor 1 against the field, so that V is directly proportional to Q. So V will be directly proportional to Q and Q by V. And so let us write it as Q is directly proportional to V. Okay, so V is directly proportional to Q. I will write it here again. V is directly proportional to Q. So V is equal to a constant into Q. Okay, let us be CQ. So V by Q or C will be equal to, okay, Q will be equal to CV. I'm sorry, it's not CQ, it is Q will be equal to CV. So C will be equal to Q by V. I'm sorry, it was not CQ, it will be Q will be equal to CV. So C will be Q by V. This is what we get. So Q is directly proportional to V. So Q is equal to CV, or C is equal to Q by V, where C is a constant, and that constant is called capacitance. And capacitance can be also called as, or it is the ability of a substance to store electric charge. So capacitance is the ability of a substance to store electric charge. And the SI unit of capacitance is farad, and practical unit is microfarad. So that's what capacitance is. Capacitor and capacitance. And now we will learn about capacitance of a sphere. Well, V equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 Q by R. We know that potential V will be equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 Q, the charge, by distance, that is R. And we also know that capacitance C is equal to Q by V. Just now we learned it, right? So Q by 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 Q by R of a sphere. We are considering a sphere, and this is the potential of a sphere. So Q by V of a sphere. Now Q and Q get cancelled, and the answer will be 4 pi epsilon 0 R. Therefore, capacitance of a sphere is equal to 1 by 9 into 10 raised to 9 into R. Why it is 1 by 9 into 10 raised to 9? Because 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 is equal to 9 into 10 raised to 9. So 4 pi epsilon 0 will be just opposite. Will be reverse of this. So 1 by 9 into 10 raised to 9 into R. This is how you find capacitance of a sphere. This might be asked for numerical. So just note down this value. That is, capacitance of a sphere is 1 by 9 into 10 raised to 9 into R.